When it comes to finding the best interior company in Mumbai, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top contender. With their exceptional design expertise and impeccable execution, they have established themselves as a leader in the industry. SCON Design India understands the importance of creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. With a team of highly skilled professionals, SCON Design India ensures that every project is executed with utmost precision and attention to detail. They take into consideration the client's vision and requirements, and then go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. Their ability to blend creativity with functionality sets them apart from other interior companies in Mumbai. What makes SCON Design India the best interior company in Mumbai is their commitment to delivering high-quality designs within the stipulated time frame. They understand the value of time and strive to complete every project on time, without compromising on the quality of work. This dedication to customer satisfaction has earned them a reputation for being reliable and trustworthy. SCON Design India offers a wide range of interior design services, including residential, commercial, and hospitality projects. Whether it's designing a luxurious home or revamping an office space, they have the expertise to transform any space into a masterpiece. Their attention to detail and ability to understand the client's needs make them the go-to choice for interior design services in Mumbai. In conclusion, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is undoubtedly the best interior company in Mumbai. Their exceptional design expertise, commitment to customer satisfaction, and ability to deliver high-quality work within deadlines make them a leader in the industry. With their innovative designs and impeccable execution, they have set a benchmark for excellence in interior design. When it comes to interior design, finding the best company is crucial to ensuring that your space is transformed into a beautiful and functional area. In Mumbai, one company stands out among the rest: SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise in interior design and their commitment to excellence, they have established themselves as the best interior company in Mumbai. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd has a strong reputation for delivering exceptional design solutions that cater to the unique needs and preferences of their clients. Their team of talented and experienced designers understands the importance of creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical and efficient. They take into consideration factors such as space utilization, lighting, color schemes, and furniture placement to create a harmonious and cohesive design. What sets SCON Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other interior companies in Mumbai is their attention to detail and commitment to quality. They believe that every